Hello. Hi, Officer the Sarah Park Police, ma'am. I stopped you. You're doing 19 over.
I'm sorry.
How come you're going so fast?
I didn't realize, to be honest.
Okay. Can I see your driver's license, please?
It's kind of hard with my nails. Can you pull it out?
Okay. I'll try.
In this episode of CopCam Max, officers stop a woman suspected of driving under the influence, but she is no ordinary driver. She insists she knows her rights and claims the police are violating her civil liberties. What follows is an encounter that is equal parts frustrating and entertaining for the arresting officer.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from my friend's house.
Have you had any alcohol tonight?
No.
You haven't had any at all?
No.
I feel like I could smell it. Can I check your eyes, make sure you're safe to drive?
Okay, I do have conditions. I have to take my contacts out.
For what?
Because I have astigmatism.
So you can't look from side to side?
I can.
You can't look.
Do you know what astigmatism is?
Uh-huh. So if you were to look this way or this way, you couldn't do that?
I can't.
So how are the doctors allowing you to drive if you can't use your eyes?
Well, it's on my driver's license.
That you're restricted? Okay.
Yeah.
Try to follow that with just your eyes and don't move your head. I want you to step out of the car for me. So, how much alcohol have you had tonight?
I haven't.
You haven't?
No.
Okay. I don't feel like you're being honest about that.
I am being honest.
Okay, so if I give you a breathalyzer, it'd be absolute zeros.
I don't have to be honest.
You don't have to do what?
Do a breathalyzer.
But I'm putting it in a scenario. I'm not asking you to do this right now.
Yeah, well, I'm putting you in the scenario. I don't have to if I don't want to.
Okay. What I'm going to ask you to do, Ms. Ruby, is I'm going to ask you to submit this sobriety test to make sure that you're safe to drive this vehicle.
I don't have to do that, sir.
Okay. So.
Can I call my lawyer?
No, you cannot.
Okay. Well,
Not here at roadside. You don't have to do what?
Whatever you're asking me to do, I don't have to.
Okay. Ruby,
Yeah.
I understand. And that's absolutely true. You don't have to do this.
Yeah.
But what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to place you under arrest for DWI.
Why?
Because of basically the totality of circumstances.
You can search my car.
Why would I do that?
Okay, so you're telling me I smell like it. Okay, search my car.
Why would I do that?
Because you're accusing me of something. That's why.
What have I accused you of?
Okay, rewind it.
Rewind what?
You told me I smell like something.
Yeah, you smell like alcohol.
Okay, so
pretty strong.
Search my car.
Why would I search your car? Because you smell like alcohol.
Because
how does that
wouldn't
make
you
sense?
find alcohol if I smell like alcohol?
Well, it depends if there's open containers in your car.
Yeah, well then search it.
Okay. Face that way for me.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
No,
You
sir.
have to.
No.
Turn around.
No, sir.
Turn around and do not resist. All force is going to be used against you.
Okay, why?
Turn around.
Okay, I mean, you haven't read my rights.
I don't need to
Okay,
read
my
your
rights.
right now.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
I'm going to sue you, bro.
Turn around.
Okay, what's
face
my
the car.
rights? What's my
Turn
rights?
around. I'll read your rights.
I need your bro to come out here.
You want him to come out?
Yeah,
'Cause
yeah,
he's
yeah.
not so as nice as I am.
No.
He's not as
Bring
nice
him-
as I am.
Bring him out here, sir. Bring him out
Adam,
here.
can you help me out? He's not going to be as nice as I
Okay,
am.
Mr.
I'm
Officer.
telling you.
He hasn't read my Miranda rights. He hasn't read my
I
Miranda
told you.
rights.
You need to
Yes,
comply
he
with this.
does.
Okay,
Turn around.
let me explain something
That's
to you
fine,
right
bro.
now.
You're under arrest for
Resist, you
DWI.
wanna fight?
No, I'm not.
You are resisting.
No, I'm
we
not.
will use
You
force against
haven't-
you.
You haven't read my
It doesn't
rights.
matter.
Yes, I do.
No, it does
I know
not.
my rights.
You don't know shit.
I do, because do you know who my dad is?
I don't care who your dad is.
Okay, you'll be real sorry after this.
Okay, let go so I don't break your finger.
I'm not gonna let go. Okay.
Stop
Stop
pulling
fighting.
away.
If you don't stop pulling, I'm going to put your ass on the ground. You understand me?
Do it.
Stop.
Do it. I dare
Stop.
you. I dare you. I dare you.
Stop
I
fighting.
dare you. Because
You got
you
it?
know who my dad is?
I don't care.
Oh, really?
No,
You will.
I don't
After you
care.
do, you'll be fucking crying, bro.
Don't care.
Really? You'll be fucking crying, bro.
We need to make better decisions.
You'll be fucking crying.
Okay.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
What's my Miranda rights?
Miranda only applies to custodial interrogation.
Here, stop right here.
Always read to everybody. I know my rights.
God, you watch too much TV.
Miss Officer, they haven't read my Miranda rights. They have me.
Okay, I'll have him read you your rights.
Okay, that was no. They should have done that before they put me in handcuffs.
Separate your feet. Step
Yeah, I
out.
don't have
Step out
anything
like
on
this.
me.
Okay, but step out like this, please.
Ruby, you have the
Okay,
right to
so what are
remain
you
silent.
arresting me for?
Did it
What are
what?
you arresting me for?
I told you, driving
What
under
are
the
you
influence.
arresting me for?
I just told you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can
Yeah,
be
now
against you in
after
court.
handcuffs,
You have the right to
you-
talk with
you
an attorney before and during
motherfucker,
questioning.
you fucked up.
Now that
Do you
attorney
know
present
who
with you
my
during
dad is?
questioning.
Separate your feet.
If you cannot afford a lawyer,
Separate your feet.
will be
I
appointed to
can
represent
afford a
you
lawyer.
Separate your feet.
at no
Step out.
cost to you before any
Step out.
questioning.
Step
You
out.
can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answering questions or making statements. Do you understand your rights?
Because you
Have
didn't
my
tell me
hand
my
checked
rights
your
before you
bra.
put
Would
me
you like
in
to talk to me?
handcuffs. So you're gonna be fucked. You and APD, you're gonna be fucked.
Whatever
And you're
you say,
gonna be
man.
fired.
Whatever
Bro,
you
I
say.
promise you
Stop
that.
moving.
Don't.
Stop moving.
Don't fucking touch me, bro. Okay, so what am I being arrested for?
I've already told you like 3 times.
No.
Do you want your sweater buttons?
I need to call someone because Mr. whatever the fuck his name is did not read my fucking rights to me.
The 54, please.
Yeah, bro, you fucked up. Whenever you lose your job, you're gonna remember
Step over
me.
here,
Okay.
please.
Stop
Step over.
pulling away.
My shit is on my
Let's go.
Stop. Let's go.
Ruby, let's go.
Let's go.
You're making this worse for yourself.
Stop.
I'm not gonna step in there.
You're gonna have to.
No.
That's absolutely what you're gonna do.
No.
Well, first thing we have to put you in there.
Take a seat.
No.
Come on, Ruby.
Okay, get me my phone and then I
adult.
will.
Get your
Have a
phone.
I'm
seat.
being an adult, so bring my fucking phone
I will.
right now.
Absolutely get your phone for
I will.
you. Where's
Right
your
now.
phone? Where's your
No.
phone?
On my Jeep.
Okay, I'll go get it for you, but you need to sit.
Right now.
Take a seat. Put your feet in.
No, I'm
Put your
not.
feet in.
I'm not.
Okay, I'll put your feet in for you. Put your feet in.
I'm not.
And don't kick me or you'll get a charge. Put your
Good.
feet in.
Good.
Put your
Do you
feet
know
in.
who my fucking dad is?
No, and I don't care.
Yours.
Golly, she's blasted.
I know.
I'm feeling sick. Get me out of here.
You're not gonna get out of my
I'm
car.
feeling sick. Somebody needs to get me out of here unless you want to get sued.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm feeling sick.
You're gonna have to suck it up.
Do you understand? Are you fucking retarded? So, whenever you lose your job, you'll think about me.
Okay.
So, get me out of here, or we're gonna have some fucking problems.
What are you gonna do?
Bro, whenever you fucking think about that in a fucking month from now, you're gonna be real fucking sorry. Trust me, I promise you that. How much do you make? Like $20 an hour? Okay, so what am I being arrested for?
I've already told you a bunch of times.
Have proof?
Pretty substantial.
Show me fucking proof.
I don't need to show you a damn thing right now.
Your whole fucking career is about to be fucking fucked, bro. What's your badge number?
It's 7345.
No, you need to tell me your badge.
I just told you it.
No, if I ask
I just told you that.
fucking badge,
I just told you it.
you need to fucking give it to me. So what's your fucking badge number?
I just told you it.
What is it?
I just told you it.
Okay, say it again.
I don't need to say it again. I already told you it.
I'm asking you to.
That sucks. You should have listened. You should have listened. You should have listened.
No, because you didn't say it.
Okay, well, it's on body camera.
First, okay, let me tell you your fuck ups.
You're what? You say that
You
again?
didn't give me my Miranda rights.
That's
Before you give me,
okay.
before you put me in fucking handcuffs.
Okay.
So there's your first fucking fuck up.
All right. Uh
You have no fucking reason to have me in fucking handcuffs or fucking have me arrested.
Because you're driving drunk?
Because once you find out who my dad is, you're gonna fucking cry.
Okay.
I'll have my dad go after you. So you fucked up. So I hope you fucking think about that. Do you want to call my dad? Do you want to call my lawyer? And I know my fucking rights. And you're not used to fucking people knowing their fucking rights. And I know my fucking rights. Get me off these fucking handcuffs right now.
What does that even mean? Get you off those handcuffs?
Law enforcement? Are you fucking stupid?
Get you off those handcuffs?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Out of my.
There you go. There you
Why
go.
am I arrested? Tell
There
me
you
right
go.
now. Why am I arrested?
That's the way you
Tell
say
me
it.
right now. Why?
I already told you like 5 times.
Why am I arrested? What am I being
Ruby.
arrested for?
You're being arrested for DWI.
Okay, do you have proof?
This officer does.
What proof?
That's correct. Do you have anything in your mouth?
I don't have to answer to you if I don't want to.
Okay.
What proof? You want to keep adding to your dumb shit? You first didn't. You did not read my fucking Miranda rights. You arrested me with no probable cause.
What did you? What are you trying to say? Bleep, bleep, bleep. What did you try to say?
Stupid.
Jeez. Like your speech is that slurred.
Okay, what was my cause?
Jeez, Miss Ruby, you're pretty ripped.
Why am I being arrested for and taken to job for?
Can you repeat that sentence to yourself?
Why am I being arrested for and taken
Gee, that doesn't make any sense.
Why am I being arrested for?
That doesn't make sense.
Why am I being arrested for and taken to jail?
I've already told you, and she told you. I told you, and she told you.
Okay, for what?
We both told you already. No, you're not gonna. Nope.
I want to hear it again.
That sucks for you. You don't get to make demands.
No, it sucks for you when you lose your job for not reading me my Miranda rights.
Okay. Come on.
What am I being detained for?
You'll be happy. Step
No,
out.
I'm asking you guys a question.
You've already been told this.
Okay.
Step out
so
like a
tell
big
me
girl.
again.
Like an adult. Step out. Please.
Like I'm a fucking adult. I'm asking
What was
you
that?
guys. Why am I being arrested for?
Will you step out for us?
No, I'm asking.
Oh, we're gonna have to pull you out, Ruby. Let's not go there.
What?
We're gonna pull you
I
out if you don't get out.
Little cameras are recording everything, so let me
Okay,
know.
Ruby. We're not gonna do this.
Okay,
Let's go.
Mr. Officer,
Let's go.
don't pull me.
Car. Out. Come on, Ruby. Be an adult.
Okay, why am I being arrested?
Jesus.
Okay, do you have to?
Yes, that's why you're under arrest.
What the fuck was wrong with you?
Let me know.
Get snuggling on me. There's that.
Oh, stop.
You say you want to be treated like an adult, act like one.
Well, I'm asking you as an adult. And you,
Acting like a child.
You've been told several times.
like, I have nothing against you because you're a girl. I'm going to try him. He did not read me my Miranda rights.
He did.
No, he didn't. Before he arrested me, he did not.
Don't push me. Take a seat. Don't elbow me in the fucking mouth. Stop. Sit down.
Sit down.
Now.
Oh, now you guys have that. That's hard. What, right?
You're vile and disgusting. You are.
Your mom is.
No, not as much as yours. You're despicable.
You and me.
Same to you.
Your mom is.
If y'all want to fucking check his body count, he's fucking arrested me before he read me my fucking Miranda.
Hey, Smith. Listen to this.
No, he did.
Tell him again. Tell him
He
again.
did.
Tell him.
You arrested me for no probable cause.
Probable what?
Probable cause.
Okay.
You did not read me my Miranda rights
Okay.
before you put me in handcuffs.
That's not exactly.
I know my fucking rights.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You did not.
I'm about to tell you something important. So right now you're under arrest for driving while under the influence of intoxicating liquor or drugs. When the Mexico Compliance Center requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test,
I don't
you have the right to choose an additional independent
I don't
test.
have to.
If you choose to take this additional independent test,
Can I
you have the
call
right to a
my
reasonable
I
opportunity
cannot call my
to arrange for a
attorney.
physician, a licensed nurse, a laboratory technician, or technologist who's employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice.
Okay, now you're.
Do you agree to take our test?
I don't have to.
And I'll force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. Do you now agree to be tested?
I won't be tested. I don't want to.
Okay, I consider your actions a refusal.
Can I call my attorney?
That's what I thought.
Where's my purse? That's the Gucci purse that I have in my Jeep.
It probably stayed in there. I don't have it.
Okay, well, you guys need to get it. So if that shit gets lost, that's on you.
I don't care about your Gucci purse. It's in your vehicle. It got towed. The vehicle's rolled up. The like doors were locked.
Fucking handcuffs, because I can't do it. Fucking handcuffs.
Repeat that sentence to yourself.
I'm on my period, so.
Repeat that sentence to yourself. Get you off those handcuffs.
Yeah, because I'm on my period.
Come over here. The restroom's right here. Go to the restroom.
Okay, can you get me a tampon?
I'll get you one. You stand over here.
Okay,
Second.
well, I need it before.
I'll
I'm
fucking
gonna go
get
to
you.
the restroom
Okay,
first.
go back in the cage.
I need a tampon.
Come on. Go back in the cage. Go back in the cage. Let's go. I'm not going to sit here and do this game with you.
I need a tampon.
I need to call my
Go
attorney.
ahead.
I have the right to
I don't
contact my
care.
attorneys.
Okay, so if you're going to keep doing this,
Yeah,
you're not going to use the restroom.
have the
I
right-
told you not to use the restroom.
You don't
That's the only
have
thing
to
you're doing.
Use the right for me to use.
Okay,
the
well,
restroom.
you're going
I
to go
can
back in the
tell
cage
that-
then. Back in the cage then. Back in the cage then. You're not going to go to the restroom then.
I need to change my fucking tampon.
I tried to do that for
You
you.
want me to bleed all over my
I tried to pull. Please shut.
fucking abuse? I need to change my fucking tampon.
Be quiet for a second. Listen, I tried to pull you out.
Change my fucking tampon.
Will you listen for a second? Okay?
I am fucking listening.
Just be quiet then. Okay? If I pull you out, that's to let you use the restroom so you can do that. Okay? Do you want to do that? That sounds like a yes. Well, use that time to do that.
Fuck up and get me the fuck out of here.
You're not going to make demands, but I'm going to accommodate you. Okay? But you need to use the restroom. Okay? All right.
That's weird. And you got that shit on your fucking camera.
You have to go into the restroom.
Okay, that's abuse. I've been fucking asking you.
I understand that. Go ahead.
Okay, get me out of here.
Go to the restroom and I will.
Okay, where's my pad?
Go to the restroom and
Where's my
it's on the
tampon?
sink. Nope. Turn and face me.
What?
It's the way it has to be. You have to be handcuffed. Let me see yours.
How am I supposed to change my fucking
It's the way it goes. It's the way it goes. You have to.
Stupid.
You,
I'll get a fucking infection.
you have to be restrained. All like prisoners have to be restrained.
Okay, for what?
Because that's the policy here.
Okay, no, tell me why.
Because how combative would they be?
Why?
Now
No,
change your
tell me
pad.
why.
Change your pad.
I can't change it like this.
Or you're gonna go back in the cage.
I can't change my pad like this.
Okay, so you don't want to do that.
Okay, what am I being arrested and detained
Okay,
for?
so we're not gonna let you change your pad. then.
Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. You're touching me for no
Okay.
fucking thing.
Linda, can you open the cage again? This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
You're a child.
Don't fucking touch me.
You are acting like a child.
No, you're fucking acting like a child.
Okay. We tried to do that, and that's not gonna go.
Okay, I'll bleed all over my fucking pad.
Fuck. It's like a fucking child. Linda.
All the charges against the woman were dismissed because the officer did not read her Miranda rights before placing her in handcuffs. Just kidding. The woman pleaded not guilty. The charges are still pending. Cop Cam Max will update the status of the case in the pinned comment to this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cop Cam Max. And if you enjoyed this video, please watch another episode of Cop Cam Max.